Akiheana ndumiriri yake ari kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, Komanda Japheth Koome ni athinyiriirie muingi nduri hatikaini o yothe ya kugumirwo ni ngui kana ngahiha, kuona honge cia ugitiri ciecemba kugacirithia thayu hatari na muthutukanio.
I have a responsibility to protect life and the property of every resident of this city, and I will not shy away from doing that one. I have that mandate, and I will do it without fear or favor, without intimidation by anybody.
Koome ni athiete na mbere kuregana na muhuhu uria uratheremia ati honge cia ugitiri ni irahuthira mbiraro o undu umwe na hinya mukiruku kuhurana na arurungani icigo itiganite. Niongereire kuuga uria wothe ukunyitwo na mahitia ma gucogera ngui na gutheremia muhuhu wa maheni niaguikio ngono ni maabitha borithi na kuoithio kirore, undu uria gucungirithia kwaga kunengererio certificate ya urungiriru wa mitugo niyo good conduct.
You cannot even run any business. You cannot even be a tout. Because to be a tout, you need a certificate of good conduct. That is the implication. So think twice when you want to joke around the social media. You are destroying your own future. But that is what I'm paid to do by Kenyans. To get those who cause trouble and take you in jail. Take you to committee. Na ufungwa maisha yako yote.
Koome ni athiete na mbere kuria muingi ndukaguoyohio ni amuthayu ni ugacirithitio na kinyi na oho gucokeria ngatho andu a wendi mwega ni guteithiriria guthinyiriria muingi guikara na urumwe.
So what I ask those criminals out there who think they will cause trouble, they will steal from anybody, they will harm anybody, I'm sorry, it will not happen.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gathoni, Wang'ang'a.